National Chairman of the All Progressives Congress APC, Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, led all the national officers of the party to the kickoff of the governorship campaign of its flag bearer, Senator Hope Uzodinma, APC, in Owerri over the weekend.
Let me perform the formal ceremony of presenting this flag as a symbol of the approval of the entire leadership and membership and the President Muhammadu Buhari. We are all united in our support that God using you, we vote for Senator Hope Uzodinma to become the governor of Imo State come 2019. On behalf of our party, we present this to you as a symbol of your right to protect for the election.
Despite being allegedly denied the use of the planned Dan Anyam Stadium in Owerri for the flag-off event by the state government, a mammoth crowd of supporters thronged the candidates' Okigwe Road campaign headquarters, the eventual venue of the event. Speaking at the event, the national chairman of the party, Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, presented the candidates to the people, urging them to support him to ensure that the state is liberated from bad governance and showed a path of true democracy.
On your behalf, I bring a message of hope, but never again shall we govern on the basis of family connection. Whether you know somebody, you don't know somebody, you marry from me, I don't marry from you, that shall not be the basis for winning the next election. I bring a message of hope, but when you elect Senator Hope, we will govern in a way that we leave no man in doubt that democracy is about government of the people, by the people, and for the people.
The governorship candidate, Senator Hope Uzodinma, in his address promised to deliver good governance to the people of Imo State if eventually elected at the March 2019 gubernatorial elections.
We want to thank our great party APC for giving us the liberation of the year. I want to assure you, I want to make only two statements because there is no time. One is to assure the party on behalf of you, the people of Imo State, that at the end of the day they will be vindicated, that we are not going to disappoint them, that we will have victory 5-over, and to you, I promise. And indeed, I promise, in the name of Almighty God, it shall never be the same again. It shall never be the same again.